I have lost 150 pounds eating delicious food just like this. And it's going to be ready in under 30 minutes. Come on, I'll show you how. All right, let's talk ingredients. But before we do, I just want to give a shout out and thank my pastor for my little board here that says I'd smoke that. And it's got my logo on there. I appreciate that. And yeah, you're right, I'd smoke chicken, pig, or cow, and sometimes fish. So let's talk spices right quick. First of all, I've got a half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. So a half a teaspoon of all those. And then I've got a tablespoon of diced up jalapenos. I've got 3 ounces of softened cream cheese. I've got 3/4 of a cup of pepper jack cheese. I've got one of these little cans of green chilies, diced green chilies, and this one is about 4 ounces or so. But anyway, I've got a can of these, and I've got a cup of heavy whipping cream. I've got 1 bag of cauliflower. This is going to go in the microwave here in a second and steam it. And I've got 3 cups of chicken. Now listen, for the chicken, if you've got some rotisserie chicken, you can shred that up. You can use any kind of chicken you want. It comes out to about 1 pound of chicken, or 3 cups, whatever. You can even use canned chicken. Just a little tip, if you're doing keto, be mindful of the rotisserie chickens. They're not all created equal. Some of them's got a lot of sugar added to the mix. But anyway, just read the labels on that. And so first thing we're going to do is go steam this up according to the instructions, and we'll get back over here and mix it all up. All right, I've added all my ingredients to a bigger bowl here. I steamed the cauliflower and I chopped it up into smaller pieces. Sometimes there'll be a big chunk of something in there, but I chopped it up a little bit smaller. So everything's in the bowl, a bigger bowl, big old Rubbermaid bowl. I like my Rubbermaid, I'm fancy like that. And so we're just going to mix it all together. Also, another thing for the green chilies, if you have hatch chilies, those would work really great and add some unique flavor to it. And if you want to cut down on the spices a little bit, you can omit the jalapenos and pepper jack cheese and just use regular cheddar. But you know, this is still a mild recipe. It's not going to be like flaming hot unless you use flaming hot peppers and stuff like that. Also with the jalapenos, if you remove the seeds, that helps as well. But while I'm mixing this up, just want to invite you to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always doing simple, easy things like this one, casseroles and just stuff is easy to make. And it's always low carb, keto. But yeah, join us and come along and follow my own journey. I've lost a good bit of weight eating foods just like this. So that looks pretty blended there. Now I'm just going to transfer it to a casserole dish and get it in an oven that is preheating right now to about 400 degrees. So let's do that. Just happen to have my casserole dish there, and I sprayed it. And I'm just going to put this all in there. And if you would have told me a couple years ago that I'd be eating cauliflower and anything, I would have called you a crazy person, because it was not on my palette of foods to eat. And then something miraculous happened, the only way I can describe it. And I always say the Lord changed my taste buds, because for some reason or another I just started liking cauliflower and broccoli steamed. Now, I can't eat it raw, but I like it like this here. And so I'm just going to press that in there. But I'm thankful that I like it, because a lot of keto recipes use cauliflower instead of potatoes. And honestly, I just don't miss potatoes a whole lot. So, all right, that looks about right. So now you're going to need about another half a cup of shredded cheese to sprinkle on top. And I'm going to top it with more pepper jack just to make it look nice when it comes out of the oven. And so it's a cheesy inside, cheesy on top, delicious chicken dinner here. All right, I hear the timer going off on my stove. It's preheated. And now, let's go throw this in there for about 20-25 minutes or until it's golden brown on top, nice and bubbly. So, all right, now here is the final product. As you can see, I did put a couple of jalapenos and roasted red peppers on top, just to give people a warning that it does have jalapenos inside. Now the only thing left to do is taste this delicious recipe. Let's go. All right, I've got my chili chicken casserole here. I can't wait to try this. Man, those chilies are just the right amount of heat. The chicken is shredded, it's seasoned up nice. Oh, that's so good. This is one of those hearty dishes that's going to make you feel warm inside. It was a dreary day outside today, so I'm going to go enjoy this. And until next time, I appreciate you being here today. Eat well, and may the Lord bless you.